Welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. This is Miriam, and today I'm going to teach you how to read Genesis 1:7 in Hebrew. So let's begin. Va ya as. Vayaas. Elohim et harakia va yavdel בין המים אשר מתחת לרקיע ובין המים אשר מעל לרקיע ויהי keen. Let's just go over it again, but this time that you could see underneath how it is written. This is transliteration, and some people do it a little different. For instance, some folks don't put the H, they say va, ya, and no H again, and just as, lo, without the H. So this is a little different. Va, ya, as. See that little dot on the top, on the left side, it's pronounced. If it were on the right side, it would be pronounced sh. Here's a word we know very well. By now we should know that it means God, and it is pronounced Elohim et harakia va yavdel בין. Remember, this is the Sophite form, which only comes at the end of a word that has the end sound. Ha mayim. See the dot here. Sh. Sher. Here's the M at the beginning of a word. Mi ta chat la ra kia u vein ha maim asher me al la ra kia vai he keen. All right, so this is the translation for Genesis 1:7. Va means and. Ye means he. I'm sorry, ya. Va, ya, as. This means he. Ya. He made. And he made. Va, ya, as. Vayaas, and he made. Elohim, God. And it, as you know, really has no translation. Ha, ra, kia. Ha means the. Rakia means expanse. Va, again, as this one here, means and. And ye means it. Va, yav, del means and it, separated. Bain, between. Ha means the. Maim means water. Asher means that. Mitachat. Mitachat means from. Tachat means under. La rakia. La means to the. Rakia, expanse. U is and. And vein means between. Here we have cha, which means the. Maim means water. Asher means that. Me'al, me means from. Al means above. Me'al. La means to the. Rakia means expanse. Vai and va, vai. This is vai. This is va. So va and it. Vai. He was. He was. And sometimes you're going to see that this word alone, here with a dot, can still be pronounced he, even though it has this little, looks like a little comma. And we've gone over the names of all these vowels in a previous lesson. At some time in the near future, we are going to try to explain some of this grammar. But if I give you too much grammar now, it can get a bit confusing, and you may not want to continue learning. Some people have a lot of patience, and other people don't. So let's get to the easier part first. Okay, so we have, I said was. Keen. So. Keen. So. And when you see this, it has a couple of meanings, but this means it ended the verse. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please give it a like. It takes time, dedication, devotion to do these videos. So give it a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will see you in the next lesson. Shalom.